Another thing that seems to be changing every year is some of the techniques that are used to teach all the different things that students need to learn, especially math.
Yes.
Math is a big talker for parents because a lot of us were taught different ways. We've got Julie Walsh and Jessica Garcia here this morning. Did I switch the last names?
Julie Garcia.
Jessica Walsh.
Jessica Walsh. Thank you. A name recognition maybe we should work on. But you've brought some of the different ways that students are learning math right now. So tell us a little bit about the changes to math curriculum.
Well, we're super excited. We are in our second year of implementation where students are learning conceptual math and they build into fluency. So here's a progression of mathematics where students start to count 1 to 1 when they're about 3 years old. As they move into kindergarten, they start looking at patterns and recognizing patterns and numbers. As they move into about second grade, that's where our multiplication starts. They're using groups of numbers. Right here we have 5 groups of 4. We can say that's equal to 20. And then we start writing math sentences and equations. As you see here, they start to use 4 times 5, 5 times 4, and we want them to start having some automaticity so they become fluent in that.
So once they, go ahead.
Oh, no, go ahead.
Okay, so once they get that automaticity and start understanding those groups, we start breaking down, like instead of 5 times 4, can we do 10 times 2? Really understanding how those numbers are formed, and then that builds into their algebra. So when they see something like 5 times x, they think I have 5 groups of something. What is that x? And they can see it in their heads. That goes all the way through to high school math.
And the one thing that I had to ask is for parents, because I have my kids, they're bringing, this is way different than how I learned. How would you tell parents to help their kids?
So this is amazing. Our new math adoption that we have for TK5 has this apply book, and in the apply book there's actually like family letters for parents here, family math, and then there's this practice partner that actually tells our parents how students are learning the math in our classrooms. So this is an amazing tool for our parents at home.
It seems daunting for a lot of parents, but it really isn't, I think, is the message here, right?
It isn't. It's not. I think just asking questions and how do you get your solution? Is there another possibility for another answer? So just keeping that curiosity and wonder with students. We want students to enjoy math and love math, and it really starts with everyone in our system, taking care of our youngest children all the way through so they have that love of math.
And also building up that positive image of math. We're wearing our You Are a Math Person shirt. We want people to feel confident and happy about mathematics.
All right, I love that. Well, thank you both so much for joining us here, and this makes me feel a little better.
Same, absolutely. This is math I can do.